AI agents sound complicated, but in reality, they are just a smart workflow with a brain in the middle. In this video, I will show you the simplest AI agent workflow I have built and how it works. Most tutorials jump straight into theory or complex systems. I want to show you a real working agent, no hype, no complexity. This workflow has 3 parts, that's it. By the end of this video, you will understand the core pattern behind almost every AI agent you have ever seen. Step 1. Webhook. Everything starts with a webhook. Think of this as the entry point. Whenever something happens, it triggers the agent. A user sends a message, an API receives data, a system detects an event, the webhook catches it and says, okay, something needs attention, let's process it. Step 2. AI agent, the brain. This is the AI agent. It uses 3 things. A chat model. This is the reasoning engine. I'm using Openrouter, which gives me access to multiple AI models. Memory, so it can remember context from previous interactions. Tools, optional functions the agent can execute, like calculators, APIs, or custom code. This is where thinking happens. Input comes in, the agent reasons, a response is generated. That's the loop. It's not magic, it's structured decision making. Step 3. Respond to webhook. Finally, the output goes back through another webhook. This could be sending a message back to a user, logging the result to a database, triggering another automation. The system closes the loop. Request received, processed, responded. The complete flow. And that's the entire workflow. Webhook, AI agent, response. Input, reasoning, action. Simple, clean, powerful. Why this matters? This is the core pattern behind most AI automation systems. Customer support bots, this pattern. Slack agent that answer questions, this pattern. E-commerce systems that process orders intelligently, this pattern. You don't need complex multi-agent setups to start. You need clarity in flow. AI agents aren't magic. They are systems that connect input, reasoning, action. Once you see this structure, you can't unsee it. Every agent you build will follow some version of this flow. If you understand this flow, you understand 80% of AI agents. The complexity comes later. Multi-agent coordination, advanced tools, dynamic routing. But this is the foundation, and foundations matter. If you are interested in learning how to build it yourself, just leave a comment below. I will be happy to share a detailed tutorial on how to create it from the very beginning. Or you want to know how I built this chat app in Lovable? Comment. I am building one AI agent every week and documenting everything I learn. If you want more practical agent builds like this, no hype, just builds, subscribe. Clarity creates power. Execution creates proof. Keep building.